making feta cheese. We're going to start with a gallon of milk and we're going to heat it slowly over low heat to 86 degrees. After that, we're going to add our packet of feta starter and stir it in, and then we're going to let the milk sit for an hour. Once that hour's up, you're going to dilute half a teaspoon of liquid rennet in a quarter cup of cold water, and then you're going to pour it in your milk and you're going to incorporate it with an up and down motion. Then we're going to put the lid on and we're going to let it culture in a warm spot for 12 hours. After that 12 hours is up, the cheese should have set. You can take your long knife and cut it into half-inch curds. Then you want to take a spoon and you want to stir it gently on and off for the next 20 minutes to separate the curds from the whey. Once the curds and the whey are separated, you want to spoon them into a cheesecloth lined colander, and you want to strain off the whey by hanging it from a countertop or whatever you have. After all the whey has drained off and you have feta left, then you're going to add it into a jar, and you want to brine it for 4 to 5 days in the refrigerator, and then it's ready to go.